Maldivian Red Crescent creates awareness and advocacy in climate resilience at three different levels, I would say. At a global level, we work very closely with the International Federation of the Red Crescent. As such, we are a signatory to the Climate Charter of the IFRC, and we also represented Maldives and the Maldivian Red Crescent on global platforms such as the COP28, where we have continuously advocated for the immediate action required in the area of climate, and also trying to create awareness in climate resilience and advocating for the urgent action that's required for the country. At a national level, we, being auxiliary to the government, we play a very crucial role in ensuring that climate resilience and climate action is incorporated into the policy level discussions and also policy level documents, and the work we do, especially with the state authorities at different areas. I think the most important work we do in the area of climate resilience is the work we do with the communities. Our presence in the local communities is the added advantage we have in working very closely with the people and understanding the vulnerabilities of the communities and ensuring inclusivity in the discussions that we have related to climate change and climate resilience. So I think these are the three ways how we contribute to the advocacy in the area of climate resilience. Maldives being a low-lying country and the recent frequency of climate-related or climate-induced incidents such as flooding and sea surges and sea swells in many islands, including cities across the country, it is very important for us to ensure that we create the preparedness and increase the capacity of local communities to address such incidents. And through the Spring Project of Maldivian Red Crescent, we aim to work with the local communities in especially building their preparedness activities so that when such incidences occur, that the communities could address these issues at a local level. Through the Spring Project, the Maldivian Red Crescent aims to equip the communities with the knowledge and tools to develop the disaster management plans at a community level. The project also aims to train members of the communities in first aid, psychological first aid and emergency response. As a result of these trainings, we also try to build the capacity of the community in testing the procedures to responding to such emergencies and disasters. And through the project, we are also trying to create awareness on the issues of climate change and disaster preparedness through our campaign Hushiyaaru. Through this multifaceted approach, the Spring Project enables the communities to build resilience and to navigate the challenges faced by climate change.